Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to teach you about patterns programmings in Python programming guys. In previous video, I discussed like nested for loop, and two pattern problems I taught you in previous video. Now in this video, I am going to teach you two more pattern examples related to nested conditional loop. Here, today my goal is I teach you pattern programming like the pattern is nothing but 1 and 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. This is the what I am going to explain you pattern. This is the my pattern now I am going to teach you in this video. To teach you this pattern, for example, if you take this is the rows and this is the columns I and j. In the first row, I have to print only one at once. In second row, I have to print two number two for two times, and third row three times, and fourth row in each and every row. Suppose if it is first row means I have to print only one number. If it is a second row means here I have to print two times. If it is a third row means I have to print three times. If it is a fourth row, I have to print four times, right? While the row is increasing, the number count is increasing. When the row is increasing, the number count is increasing. For that, I have to print. Now I will write a code, then you will understand. For example, here I taken for I in range of 1 comma 6, I in range of 1 comma 6, and for j in range of j in range of 1 comma I plus 1, 1 comma I plus 1, and print, I am printing the value I and end equal to space I am providing to provide gap, and I am printing the new line print off. Here, here the code is first I taken for I in range of 1 comma 6. Here the range of 1 comma 6 in the sense it will take I value from 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. Up to 5 it will take the values in the range function. In the range data type, it will take the values from 1 to 5. Why? Because the stop value is 6 here, and it will not consider this 6 value. It will consider up before the value only. And the step value in between these two, the step value is 1. By default, in range data type, step value is positive 1, guys. Step value is positive 1. And here this is I values. These are the I values. And coming to J values, here J in range of 1 comma I plus 1. Here J equal to 1 comma I plus 1, guys. J equal to 1 comma I plus 1. Here I am printing the I value. For suppose at first I value is 1, guys. First, at first it will take, I value as 1, I value 1, and it is comes to the J for J in range of 1 comma I plus 1. Here the 1 comma I plus 1 in the sense 1 comma 1 plus 1, I mean 1 comma 2, guys. Here 1 comma 2. In the case of 1 comma 2, it is how many times the loop here it will execute means here the end value is 2, here the end value is 2 and starting value 1. So only one time it will execute the for loop in the case of J. In the case of J, it will execute only one time the for loop, and I am printing the value I value here. I am printing print I here. I value it is 1, right? Here I value is 1, so it is printing 1 for one time. Why? Because here in the second for loop, I mean inner for loop, it will executing only one time. Why? Because here the range of 1 comma 2 means it will iterate the for loop only for one time, and for that one time it is printing the I value. It is printing the I value, guys. And next coming to, and again it will come out from the inner for loop, and it will print the new line, print of new line, and it is comes to the next line, guys, and it will come to the next line. Then after, again the I value 1 is cancelled here. Now the I value becomes 2. Here the I value becomes 2, and here for J in range of 1 comma I plus 1, here the I value equal to 2, right? Here the I value 2. So 1 comma I plus 1 means 2 plus 1 here, 2 plus 1 here. In the case of 2 plus 1, 1 comma 3 it is. This is the inner for loop. This is the inner for loop range data type. So 1 comma 3 means, 1 comma 3 means it will iterate the loop up to 2 times, guys. It will iterate the loop up to 2 times. Why? Because the end value is 3 here, but it will not consider this end value 3, and it will consider only up to below the number, before the number only. 2 times it will iterate the for loop, inner for loop, and the 2 times it is printing. Here print I comma end equal to uh, string. Here, the I value is 2 right now. This I value is 1 cancelled, and now the I value becomes 2 here for 2 times. For 2 times. Why? Because here the range iterate up to 2 times. So, 2 times it will iterate 2 value. 2 times it will iterate the 2 value. And next, again it will take, again it will iterate the for loop for I in range of 1 comma 6 means here the I value now the I value is 3, guys. Now the I value is 3, right? Now the 2 is also completed. Now the third iteration is going. So the I value is 3 now. I value is 3 now. And for J in range of 1 comma I plus 1. 1 comma I plus 1 means 1 comma, now the I value is 1. So 3 plus 1 here. So 1 comma 4, it will iterate the inner for loop up to 3 times. It will iterate the for loop, inner for loop up to 3 times, guys. Why? Because here the inner for loop range data type contains 1 comma 4. Here it contains 1 comma 4. It contains 1 comma 4. So it will iterate the loop for 3 times. And up to 3 times, and up to 3 times, I am printing the same value I here. Same value I. See, here the I value is 3, right? In this case, the I value is 3, right? In the case of 3, it is printing same value for 3 times. I hope you got it. How the this pattern is working. How this pattern is working by using for loop. And again, I am printing the new line. And again, now The 3 is completed. Now I have to take fourth value. Here 3 is completed. Here 3 is completed. Here 3 is completed. Now I have to take fourth iteration. Now the fourth iteration, I value becomes 1. I value becomes 1. I value becomes 4 here. So 1 comma 4 plus 1 here it is. 1 comma 4 plus 1 is 1 comma 5. 1 comma 5. 1 comma 5 means for j in range of 1 comma 5. For j in range of 1 comma 5. For j in range of 1 comma 5 means here it will iterate the for loop up to 4 times. Here the starting value is 1 and the ending value is 5, but it will take up to 4 only. It will take up to 4 only, and it will iterate the for loop up to 4 times. It will iterate the for loop, and up to 4 times it is printing the same value called I value. Here printing I value end equal to space. Why I am used here end equal to this string means if you want to get this gap, if I want to get this gap, I have to use. If you are not using that end value means it will automatically after printing these two, this second two comes to new line. For that purpose, I used here end function, end, print end. So here the 4 value prints 4 times. Again, it now the 4 where fourth is completed, fourth iteration is completed. Now it will take fifth iteration. Again, same process it will take, and it will execute the same. 5 times it will execute the 5 value, guys. I hope you got it, guys. How this pattern is working. If you have any doubts, please comment in below, then I will answer you. Then I will take a special class for you on this pattern programming. Now I will execute and I will show you to you how exactly this pattern is will give output. It will give output as, see guys, first time it is only printing only one value, second time two, third time three, fourth time five, four, 5 times. I hope you got it, guys. I hope you got it how this pattern is work. Now you got it. And you suppose, for example, if I take one more example related to this, one more example. Now I have to print like 5. uh, I have to print like 5 times I have to print, and 4 times I have to print, 4 times, 3 times I have to print, and 2 is 2 times, and 1 is 1 time. This is my pattern, guys. Here now in this example, this is the my pattern. Here the I value equal to 1 and j value here, j value 1. In the case of I value 1, it is printing 5 times. Here in the case of I value 2, it is printing 4 times. I value 3, 3 times. I value 4, 2 times. I value 5, 1 time. This is the opposite to the previous one, guys. I hope now you are able to write a code for this pattern, guys. I think everyone will get an idea how to write a code for this. Why? Because it is simply opposite to the previous one, guys. Let's write a code for this, then I will explain you how that code is working. For example, here I have to take 5 value. I have to iterate the why? Because here 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 totally I have 5 values, right? Totally I have to print totally I have to print 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? five times I have to iterate the loops. For that, I am taking the for I in range of range of 5 comma 0 comma minus 1. Why I taken here 5 comma 0 comma minus 1 means here in the previous case I taken 1 comma 6, right? In the previous case, I taken 1 comma 6. Why? Because in the first row I have to print 1 time. So second row second time. It will take numbers like this, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. In this case, it will take numbers like this. Coming to this case, it will take numbers from 5, then after 4, then after 3, then after 2, then after 1 it will take. So here the difference between these two numbers here it is 1, right? And the difference between these two numbers it is 1. Here 1 in the sense negative 1, right? Here the step value I given here negative value. So it is decreasing the numbers up to 1. So the end value is here 0, but it will not consider the end value. It will not consider this end value. It will execute the for loop up to 5 times in this sequence manner. First it will take 5 and I have to print this 5 for 5 times I have to print. And next I have to take 4 and I have to print 4 for 4 times. And next I have to take 3 and 3 I am printing for 3 times. Yes. For for printing the this 5 number, I mean the 5 value, if I want to print this 5 value for 5 times, I have to iterate the inner for loop for 5 times, guys. I hope you got it, guys. Now I have to iterate this inner for loop for 5 times. Coming to, suppose if I take 4 means I have to, here I have to print 4 times I have to print. For that I have to iterate the inner for loop for 4 times, guys. Now I will write a code for this, then you will get understand. For example, here I am writing one more line. For j in range of, here I have to iterate this I value. Suppose if I got 5 as a, from I value, if it is 5 means, I have to iterate that I value for 5 times I have to iterate, guys. If I want to iterate that I value 5 times means, I have to iterate the inner for loop. Inner for loop I have to iterate 5 times. For that purpose, I am using here 1 comma I plus 1. 1 comma I plus 1. And I am printing the value I value end equal to space, and I am printing the new line. After completion of one line, I have to move to new line, guys. This is the code, guys. Here if you take for I in range of I value, here it is 5 comma 0 comma minus 1. 5 comma 0 comma minus 1 means 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, guys. Here the j value, here it is 1 comma I plus 1. 1 comma I plus 1. Here 1 comma I plus 1 means, for example, first it will take I value 5, guys. I value 5 it will take I value 5 here, and here the I value becomes a 5. Here the 5 is I value. It will start with I value. Again, inner for loop for j in range of 1 comma 6. J in range of 1 comma 6 means 1 comma I value here it is 5. So 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1 here it is 1 comma 6. 5 plus 1 here it is 1 comma 6, and I mean here it is 1 comma 6, and it will iterate this inner for loop for 5 times. 1 2 3 4 and 5. It will iterate this inner for loop for 5 times. For that 5 times, I am printing the same value called I value. Here the I value is 5, right? Here the I value is 5, and I am printing this I value 5 for 5 times I am printing. 5 times I am printing in the same line. This is the case, guys. I hope you got it. Now, now this now now this 5 is completed, and again it will take I value as 4. I value 4. Now this 5 completed. Now the I value is 4, guys. And here and here and here the 1 comma I value 4, right? 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 here it is 1 comma 5, guys. 1 comma 5 it will get. 1 comma 5 means for j in range of 1 comma 5 means it will iterate that inner for loop for 4 times. It will hit 1 2 3 and 4. 4 times it is going to iterate that inner for loop, guys. 4 times it will iterate that inner for loop, and that 4 times and that 4 times I am printing the same value called I value. Here first I value it is printed 5. Again I am printing, now I am printing the I value 4, guys. For 4 times I am printing the same I value called 4. Now the 4 is completed, and it is going to new line by using printf function, and again it will take 3. Again the I value is 3. Here the 1 comma I plus 1 means 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4. So printing the I value 3 for 3 times. I hope you got it. How this execution is taking place to print this pattern, guys. I hope everyone understand. If you have any doubts regarding this pattern, please comment below. I will answer you, and I will assign you one special class for you to teach one more time, guys. And now I am going to execute this for loop. I am executing this for loop. See, guys, 5 times, 4 times, 3 2 and 1, guys. I hope you got it, guys. How this pattern is working. I hope you got it. I hope you got it, guys. If you This is about pattern, guys. This is all about patterns. Now, now I will explain you one more pattern, guys. Now I will explain you one more pattern. One more pattern I will explain you now. Let's consider one more pattern, guys. Let's consider one more pattern. Here, guys, here in this case, I am going to print one pattern called, I'm going to print one pattern. This is my pattern, guys. 1 2 2 3 3 and 3 and 4 4 4 and 4. This is my pattern, guys. Here, this is my pattern. Here I am going to execute this pattern, guys. This is my pattern. Now I am going to teach you. For here, just take here. This is the uh, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 1, guys. These are the empty space. If you consider this is the complete table, if you consider this is complete table, if you consider this is the complete table, guys. Here the first one is space, second value is also space, and the third value is space, and here fourth value is one it is taking, and here it is giving some space, guys. And here first two values is space and two values it is printing, and three is the space and three values it is printing. Here there is no space and I'm printing it is four times, guys. If you want to create a code for this pattern, guys, let's see. Here in first line I am printing the one only for one time after the three spaces, guys. After the three spaces, I am printing the one for one time. After the two spaces, I am printing the value two for two times, guys. For two times, I am printing after two spaces. And after one space, I am printing the three for three times, guys. Now, see, guys, the here we have to follow one simple formula, guys. If you know, if we consider mathematical formula, then it will become easy to execute this type of patterns, guys. Now I will tell you the simple formula, then you can understand how this pattern is going to work. For example, here I need spaces, right? Here I need spaces. If I need spaces means, see, guys, here, if you need spaces, number of number of spaces in each row equal to n minus I my here number of spaces in each row here it is n minus I minus 1, guys. And symbol, which symbol I have to place? Symbol equal to I plus 1, guys. These are the formulas, guys, to execute this pattern. These are the formulas. And how many times I have to print? How many times I have to print that symbol means equal to I plus 1, guys. Guys, let's see, guys. Here, see, guys. Here the number of spaces, guys. The number of spaces is nothing but these spaces, guys. For example, if you take, I taken here n value 4, guys. Here n value 4 I taken, n value 4 I taken here. Here the number of spaces means the formula is n minus I minus 1, guys. N minus I minus 1 means n value 4 and I value, suppose if you are iterating the for loop, for example, if you take I value 1, I value 0 and 1, guys. Here it is, in this case, the number of spaces here it is 3, guys. The number of spaces here it is 3. So here the number of spaces are 3. It is matched, right? And this is the symbol, guys. Which symbol? Symbol is nothing but this number, guys. Here whatever you have to print, that symbol, we call it as that as symbol, guys. And I am printing that I plus 1. Here the I value is 0, guys. Here the I value is 0. So 0 plus 1 here it is. 0 plus 1 here it is 1. This is symbol I am printing only one time, guys. This is symbol I am printing, and how many times that symbol you have to print means I plus 1 times. I plus 1 means here the I value is 1. 0 plus 1 here it is 1, guys. 0 plus 1 here it is 1. So this is symbol, I mean this one symbol I am printing for one time, guys. This one symbol I am printing for one time. I hope you understand the formulas to execute this pattern. After writing a code, then you can understand some more better how this formulas is going to work. Let's move to code, guys. Let's move to code. Here I am taking for n first. First I have to take n value, right? N equal to int of input of enter a number. Enter a number, guys. I am executing for I in range of I in range of n, I in range of n, and I am printing space. First I have to print spaces, guys. That spaces I have to print. That spaces I have to print. Yeah, n minus I minus 1 times I have to print. And after printing that spaces, I have to add the symbol. I have to add the symbol that str of I plus 1, I plus 1 plus I plus 1 string. I have to add one more space. And I have to multiply this. How many times I have to print that symbol means I plus 1 times I have to print. I plus 1 times I have to print. See, guys, here this is the number of spaces and this is the symbol and how many times we have to print that symbol. For example, here the n equal to int of input of enter a number, guys. For example, here I taken n value as 4, guys. N value as 4 I taken here. And for I in range of n means, I in range of n means, range of here, the range of 4 means, the range of 4 means, here the starting value is 0 and stop value here it is stop value here it is 4 and the step value here it is 1, guys. By default, if it is n value 4 means it is start with 0 and ends with this value and step value is 1, guys. This is the default range data type if we take n value 4, guys. If we take n value as 4, this is the range data type. So for this range data type, starting value is 0 and step value is 1 and then after 2, like this it will iterate the for loop phase. Up to this, at first, it will take first I value as 0, I value 1, I value 2, I value 3 from this range. Then. Here it will take 0, 1, 2, 3, guys. I hope you got it. Now I am printing the, now I am printing the, here I am considering print. This is the space, guys. This is the space. Here we have to provide space, guys. This is the space. This is space. I have to print this many times. This is the formula, guys. This many times we have to print that space, guys. Here the n value 4 and the I value here in the first case I value is 0, I value 0 and minus 1. So 4 minus 1 here it is 4 minus 1 here it is 3 guys. So this space it will print up to 3 times I am multiplying. Up to 3 times I am multiplying this space. 3 times it will print the spaces. And after printing that spaces, I am concatenating by using the plus symbol. I mean addition symbol, concatenating. Now I have to print here 1. If I want to print 1, here um, here the string of I plus 1, string of I plus 1 guys. Here why I taken string means, why here I consider string means, if I want to add this string space, after printing this one, here I have to print one space, right? Here I have to print one space, right? For that, I taken here one empty space. If I want to add this string empty space to this number, I have to convert this integer number into string, guys. This integer number I have to convert into string. For that purpose, I am taken here string function. So here the I value is 0, right? I value is 0. So 0 plus 1 here in this case, 0 plus 1 here it is 1 and the string of 1 and the string of 1 it will consider string of 1 plus and again one space into I plus 1. How many times I have to print this symbol? How many times I have to print this symbol? Only one time I have to print. So I plus 1 is the formula, guys. I plus 1 means here the I value is 0. So 0 plus 1 here it is 1. Only one time I am printing this one value, guys. And again if you consider next here the 0 is completed and next I value equal to 1, guys. Now the 1 is completed. Now I am coming to new line and here the I value is 1, guys. Here the I value is 1. I am multiplying these spaces. How many spaces I need to print means two spaces I need to print. For this, the formula is n minus n value is 4, n minus I value is 1 and 1, guys. Here this mm, minus 1 and minus 1 here it is 4 minus 2, guys. So 4 minus 2 here it is 2, guys. So it will print it will print the spaces, it will print the spaces, it will print these spaces for 2 times. For 2 times it will print these spaces, guys. Then after printing these two spaces, it will adding that two numbers I have to print. Extended to the two spaces, I have to print two numbers, guys. Here, the string of I plus 1, in this case, I value is 1, guys. So 1 plus 1 here it is 2. So string of 2 plus a space, this is the string place. This symbol, this two symbol, this two symbol I have to print I plus 1 times. Here I plus 1 here it is nothing but I value 1, right? 2 times I am printing, guys. 2 times I am printing this I plus 1 times. So it will print the 2 value. I mean this symbol 2 number, it will print 2 times. Then after the I value 1 is completed, next it will take I value 2 and the same process it will repeat up to I value 3, guys. I hope I hope you understand, guys, how these formulas. I hope you understand. This is the number of spaces, and this is the symbol. How many times you need to print that symbol, and this is the multiplication. I mean, suppose if it is a star means this is star symbol. I have to print this many times. This many times I have to print this that star symbol, guys. I hope you got it, guys. Now, now I will execute and I will show you how it will give as a output. Here, here it is asking enter a number, guys. I am entering the number 4. See, guys, 1, 2, 3, and 4, guys. See, guys, here it will take a table like this. Here it will take table like this, guys. Here, uh, 1, 2, 3, guys. I hope you got it. That this is the space and 1, 2, and 1, guys. I hope you understand, guys. This is how this code will work. This is how this code will work. That's all for today, guys. These are the pattern related problems related to pattern. That's all for today, guys. For tomorrow, I will explain you. I will come up with a new topic. I mean, I explained for loop and nested for loop and all. I explained you. Coming video, I am come with new topic, guys. That's all for today. If you like my video and my explanation, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video, guys. And like the video and click that bell icon, guys. click that Click that bell icon, then you will get notifications when I am uploading the new videos. Then you can watch without missing it. Please subscribe to my channel and like the channel and click the bell icon, guys. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. See you later, guys.